The 2018 Toyota Prius gloats an amazing arrangement of crash test scores and standard well-being hardware. Notwithstanding its little size and cheapness first concentration, the 2018 Toyota Prius packs a punch for any divider it might keep running into. Accepting it even arrives first. A year ago, Toyota made standard a suite of cutting-edge security frameworks on a large portion of the new vehicles it offers. Government and free analyzers say that if push comes to divider, the Prius gains top scores in crashworthiness. Those scores, joined with standard well-being highlights, procure a 8 out of 10 on our security scale. The IIHS calls the Prius a top safety pick with great scores on all accessible crash tests, and a satisfactory rating for its LED headlights. Government analyzers to a great extent concurring gave the Prius a main 5-star rating, however noted 4 stars for frontal crash well-being. Every single trim level get Toyota Safety Sense P, which incorporates forward crash cautioning with programmed crisis braking, dynamic path control, programmed high bars, and versatile voyage control. The IIHS rates the framework as predominant in keeping away from low 12 miles per hour and fast 25 miles per hour crashes. Blind side screens, a head-up show and stopping sensors are saved for top models. Outward vision in the Prius isn't perfect. The back window is as yet part and the back rooftop column is additional thick, useful for nutty spread yet awful for dazzle spots. All trim levels of the Prius get a standard rear view camera.